Hello my dear WordPress lovers and welcome back to WP Club YouTube channel. In today's video, we are talking about site migration. If you have a WordPress site in one place and you want to move it into another location, I am going to show you how to handle it with plugin, and it will take you a few minutes. So today we are reviewing Duplicator WordPress plugin by Snapcreek. Stay tuned to see how this amazing plugin works. Duplicator is the most powerful migrator available. The plugin's free version is presented in WordPress, where it has more than 1 million active installations and more than 3,000 5-star based satisfied client reviews. The plugin enables you to move, migrate, or clone a WordPress site between domains or hosts with zero downtime, transfer a WordPress site from one host to another, manually backup a WordPress site or parts of a site, and many more. Alongside free version, the plugin also offers premium version and premium plans, which offer more extended features. In today's video, we are going to mainly proceed with the drag and drop duplicator function of the plugin, which, in addition to the common way of using installer PHP, offers the choice to drag and drop the installer archive into a destination site. So let's get on with the tutorial on how to safely migrate your WordPress site. The first thing you need to do is to install the plugin. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, go to the Duplicator packages page in your WordPress admin area and click Create New button. There you will be given the name of your new package. Click Next button and follow the steps to create your package. First, it's going to scan the site and it will take a while, so leave the plugin to do its work. As soon as you get the information about the scanning, make sure that the scan results check out good and then click Build button. There you will already start the actual process of building your package. Once it is done, you will get a status. Click Archive button in order to save the installer PHP into your PC. Now it is already time to overwrite your site to the destination site. Again, you need to install Duplicator plugin, but this time in your destination site. After installation, go to Duplicator imports page in your WordPress admin area and drag the installer PHP file you downloaded to the import area in order to start the upload process. The process of importing will take some time, and after it is all ready, in the opened window, review the details about the package and, if needed, set a recovery point. The step of setting a recovery point is not mandatory if you don't care about losing the contents of your destination site, but if you want to revert to a version of the destination site if something goes wrong, then you should create a recovery point before starting the importing process. For that, you need to go to the Packages menu and choose package you want. Go to Package Overview section of the package row and select Set Recovery Point. Once you have a recovery point, you need to go to the Import section again, and there you will have the information about your package and importing. You can already set the recovery point, and after setting a recovery point, click Launch Installer button at the right bottom of the page. A streamlined version of the installer will run and overwrite your existing site with the archive that you dragged to the destination site. And there you have it. You have migrated your WordPress site to a new location. It was super easy and super quick, wasn't it? And that was it. I hope it was useful, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to learn more about amazing WordPress world. See you soon in our next video. Bye!